Now, how do we deal with this? This is a very important topic because this occurs for many people. How do we deal with triggers with our eating habits? So let's say we're going back to that previous situation, the previous video. I had a stressful day. I had a long day. I had a late lunch. I had activities to do after work. I didn't get a chance to prepare my meals. How am I going to deal with that from a eating perspective? So all of those things that happen during the day can bring about feelings of anxiety, can bring about feelings of being afraid, mad, even frustrated. So how do you manage that? When you have those feelings, do you quickly reach for a fruit? Do you choose to call someone you love or talk about it or journal? Or are you choosing to have the near snack? Are you choosing to have a slice of cake? Are you choosing to have ice cream? Are you choosing to have chips or go have a huge hamburger? Those triggers in your life can affect your eating habits. And the reason why we're talking about this is because type 2 diabetes prevention, our eating habits and our physical activity are so critical in helping us lower our risk of type 2 diabetes. But if I know that having a long day adds stress to my life, it could potentially be a trigger that can cause me, even though I'm on my journey, I'm taking my steps, that can cause me to veer off the path a little bit. And so it's very important to identify the things that trigger you so that when those triggers come, because they will, you have an answer to overcome that trigger. You have a resolution to help you to overcome that trigger. Stay tuned, and we're going to talk about the next video about exercise and how we can be triggered not to exercise.